Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to show you all about Windows 11. Recently, Microsoft introduced Windows 11 as their new, it's a new Windows type, and it's really great because everything has changed with Windows 11. It's become so good and it's become very nice. It has a new design with a centered task start menu and a taskbar, and a lot of it looks like a Mac interface. A lot of it looks like a Mac interface. Like all the files in your file explorer really look like a Mac interface, and I like it because you get a feel of the Mac one, but you're actually still on a Windows, right? You're gonna get a feel, but you're actually on your Windows. So that's what is so special about Windows 11. It has some rounded corners. It has a clean design, and it's really nice. You can set up virtual desktops, and it's more similar, just like I said, to a Mac OS. You can so there are hundreds of maybe wallpapers. So you can do better multitasking. So it was announced on June 24th, 2021, and before this was as you all know, the Windows 10. It was released in 2015, right? Yes, it started on 5th October 2021, Windows 11. So that's how it is. And it's also available in 110 languages, right? Uh, yes, it is available in 110 languages. The same Windows 11, it is great. So Microsoft has come up with Windows 11 6 years after Windows 10, that is 2015. I'm going to show you on how to download Windows 11. The link is also in the description below. And also there are timestamps, so you can quickly look, or if you want to spend more time in one thing, you can just do it. I'm going to show you some awesome features of Windows 11. Some really, really nice features of Windows 11. So don't you miss those. Don't you miss those, and that's going to be important. It's going to help our computing more better, so much more faster. Without wasting any more time, let's jump in and have a look. Okay, first up, let us see on how to download Windows 11. As you know, I've already downloaded Windows 11, but let's see how you can download Windows 11. I have a link here to download Windows 11. It's also available in the description of this video. So go and look at the description, you'll get this link. Now, when you get up the screen, this is from Microsoft themselves. So just scroll down here and just say download now. There are some conditions that you have to have. You have to apply to, then only you can download, such as you have to have Windows 10. If you're a Windows 7 or 8 user, then you can't download Windows 11. So you must have Windows 10. There are some specifications which your computer has to meet. So that's how you have to use it. You have to have 9 GB of free disk space so that Windows 11 can be downloaded. Now, once you've downloaded Windows 11, you have to download it, and then it will start off with an installation process. Then once you click, you've accepted everything, you just say accept and install. Once it actually runs you through that process, after that's over, it will say restart now. And when you restart it, the actual installation starts. It takes around 20 minutes to 40 minutes. It took me around 20 to 25 minutes. So it could take you a little more as well. And then you will be end up seeing Windows 11. Okay, it's here as well. Once you select run, after choose confirm the device hardware, you have to just click on accept and install. When the tool is ready, you click restart now, and then it will take some time to install Windows 11, and your PC will start a few times. So that is all about the Windows 11 startup screen and how to install Windows 11. Once you install Windows 11, you will get a black wallpaper, but I have other wallpaper, and if you see this, you get this all the new Okay, before I jump into the next first feature, I want to see on what all has changed, like in Windows 11, right? So first up, this is a very basic change you all know. This start button was here in the Windows 10 look, but right now it's come everything to the center. You get these 5 new widget options, or sorry, apps that we'll all discuss in the features. And when you open like Google Chrome or whatever, if you minimize the screen, you see these curved, yeah, you see these options are curved. That's what is also changed in Windows 11 because it is curved. And all this Wi-Fi logo is changed. So that's how it all looks in Windows 11. It's really nice. I like it. And let's jump onto the features now and have a look. There are also some new shortcut keys in Windows 11, such as in Windows 10, window key plus A used to open up the action center. But this now it opens up your quick settings. I'm going to press Windows A. It opened up my quick settings where you can adjust the brightness. So maybe your internet, Bluetooth, airplane mode, you can switch it on. That's how it opens up. So Windows A opens up that. Windows N opens up notifications center. That's with N as in notifications. So these are all my notifications for now. And Windows W opens up the widget center. So these are all the widgets. We'll talk about these widgets a little later as well. So that is what is all about this new features, new shortcut keys, right? So these are all about the new shortcut keys. Windows A used to open Action Center, but right now it opens up, it doesn't open Action Center anymore, but it opens the quick settings. Number 2, nightlight. So maybe when it gets too late in the night, or when it's too early in the morning, your eyes like with that computer light actually gets strained. So you can switch on nightlight for that, right click on anywhere and click on display settings. Takes us to the settings. And here, if we go down to nightlight, so in the display section, nightlight, this you can switch it on as well, or you can switch it off. So you can actually turn on your display set the sunrise, or even set hours to your convenient hours. That way also works fine. Emoji Picker feature 3. So this picker, basically when you're typing in Chrome or even in Bing and you want to actually type an emoji, how could you do that? If you press the Windows key with the semicolon key, it launches the emoji picker. Let me show you. Windows semicolon. It launches this emoji picker from which you can choose. There are a lot of emojis. There are GIFs. So there are cow emojis, there are symbols. So it's all been redesigned from Windows 10 and it looks really great on Windows 11. Right? It looks very nice on Windows 11. Hide desktop icons. Let's say you want to present your computer screen to somebody, and if you can see there's so many icons on my screen right now, right? I think there are 23 icons on my screen, and this doesn't really look nice. So there's something personal that you do want to show. You can right click, you can say view, you can click on show desktop icons. All these icons just go off. So for presenting time, we can do this, but after we present, we can come back, view, show desktop icons, and voila, it's come back. Steps recorder. Let's say you have to explain something to somebody, like maybe something like maybe how to do something in the laptop. You have to take screenshots, you have to write, you have to do all that. With Windows 11, you can just click here and say steps recorder. If I click on Steps Recorder, there's an app called Steps Recorder. So let me start recording. So I have to open Microsoft Edge. I have to maybe say YouTube. Okay, I'm going to stop recording right now. So basically, our recording has been saved. This file contains all steps and information that was recorded to help describe the recorded steps to others, right? So you can just step one, use the left double click on Microsoft Edge, right? User keyboard input on new tab, personal Edge window, new tab and enter. User left click on Microsoft Edge region in YouTube. So I've typed YouTube. So that's how you can actually recorded steps 3. That's how Windows 11 helps you in recording steps, and then you can copy and share this to others. Sticky notes. I'm going to show you something called sticky notes. So there's this app called Sticky Notes where it's loading our sticky notes. So you can just say get started for now. So you have to just simply sign in and signing in. So basically we can actually click notes. So I can write a note maybe like do this. Okay, I should have mentioned what to do, but I just said do this. It's just sticking up on my screen and I can just move it to the side and that side. And the good thing is it'll get back even to available anytime in the list view, see? So all these notes can be closed or deleted. So that is what is sticky notes, and that makes it really easy to actually see what you're doing. Mouse cursor. Now you can make it so much more easier for your audience to actually look at your mouse. So let's get into settings. This is my settings. This settings also is really now changed. I'm going to go to accessibility and I'm going to find mouse pointer and touch. So I can change the size of my mouse pointer maybe to 15 size, and then it'll be looking like this. Making it reduced size would be looking like this. So of normal one, I like to, okay, not this much big. Yeah. 1 is the normal size. That's how everyone likes it. You can make it look black, you can make it look semi-color, you can make it look green or even red. Right? So you can make this look a lot better with mouse pointers. You can also change some other, make the circle dark and large as well. So you can show a circle on the screen when I touch it. So that actually shows up a circle on the screen when I touch it. So that is all about it. You can put a text cursor, you can put touchpad, and you can also put a mouse. Multiple themes. So right now I'm going to show you on how to actually get these wonderful background pictures that I've shown. It's all from Microsoft. So I'm going to type here settings. So when I go to settings and I go to personalization, there's this thing called themes through which you could. I liked this one, so I got this themes, but you could actually get a lot more themes. You're not gone into this 7 themes. I'm going to say browse themes. It'll take us to the Microsoft Store and we can get themes, maybe some of these, maybe some this theme, right? So you could actually get themes. So you can say get and you can maybe get those themes. Hold on 1 second. Let me show you more of them. Yes. So if you see there are hundreds of themes here, so you could get it. For some you have to pay. For some you can get free. So each one differs, and this theme looks wonderful. These themes look really nice, in which you can actually get it. Multiple desktop screens. So you can have multiple desktops. I'm going to show you. on how to do that. So okay, this is my 1 second. Yeah. So these two are my main desktop screens. So this is my main desktop. Well, I can add another desktop maybe, and this is my other desktop. So you can have actually some more screens, right? And you can rename it. 1 second. Yes. So I right click. I'm going to say, so maybe let me get back to my first desktop. Maybe I want to rename this to something else other than main desktop. I right click, I say rename, I say important desk, important. So this is the name of my desktop. I know it's a little funny, but yeah, this is the name of my desktop. That's important. So I don't need it as important. I'll just say as the main desktop. The other feature which is not available as of yet, but I'd like Microsoft to use is maybe you have your office laptop and your home laptop is the same, and you could create like two desktops, such as office laptop and home laptop. But on the office laptop, there are all office apps, and on the home desktop, there are all home apps, which is not available in Windows 11. That is, like, have separate apps on separate desktops. So the same, all the same apps will come the exact same thing even on the other desktop. So that's how you can rename desktops. You can try a lot of these things with them. You can choose the background for each desktop, and there's a lot of things that we have to look forward to, and it's really nice. Yes, so now there's another feature called dictation. So I'm going to show you on that. Let me open for now Notepad. I could even open a browser as well, no problem. Yeah, didn't that open? Yes, now it open. If I hit the Windows key, is the H key, I can actually start talking. So the Windows H key actually brings this up, and you could, right now I'm not typing anything, but this is with auto punctuation. So there's auto punctuation for everything, and that's how it actually works. So it will type whatever I want. Hello, hello. So it actually types whatever I want. It actually types whatever I want. Right now I'm not working it because my voice and your voice might echo. So you can try it. For now, I'll just type something. Okay. So that is about this with auto punctuation. So the Windows H key, that's the dictation, automatically knows when it has to add a punctuation, maybe like a question mark or a full stop. Arranging windows. So let's say I have a Google Chrome browser open here. I want to open it for now. I'm going to make the size big. I have a Edge browser open here. It's just for, I'm just showing you, it's just for showing purposes. Okay, I have an Edge browser open here, and maybe let's take a Brave browser open here. Yeah, a Brave browser open here. So when I have this Brave browser open, I can arrange all these three browsers to actually look neat. So maybe if I click on this and I hold, if you see, I can actually arrange it. So maybe I can put this here, and the rest of the things goes there. So that is how you can actually do it. Maybe something maybe here. So that's how you can actually do it, and it will actually be working. And you can put three browsers like this, and it actually looks a little neat, right? It looks nice and neat because so Windows 11 allows you to actually arrange these browsers in a nice style. Maybe you could get another one and put it here so it looks like 4, and it arranges it also very nice. And maybe you would have noticed already that these sides are curved in the new Windows 11, right? I already told you these sides are a little curved in the Windows 11. So that is what is also a very nice thing about Windows 11. Customizing the Windows 11 taskbar. That's a very important thing I'm going to talk about. And we're going to spend a little more time on this. How we can actually customize the Windows 11 taskbar. Let me get to settings, or just let me type taskbar directly. So this is the taskbar settings and personalization. So right now we are going to see what is search, task view, widgets, chat. That's so basically in the taskbar, these are 4 items that are there. So you can switch off the search if you want. The search gets away. You can get this task view that I've already showed you. It's the multiple desktops. You can switch that off. Widgets will come to widgets next, and chat with Microsoft Teams. I don't need that, so I use that chat off. Taskbar corner icons. So you can show pen menu on icon when pen is used. Right now, pen is not used, so you don't need it. Always show touch keyboard is basically when you can use it to touch the keyboard, something like this. So there's a keyboard where you start typing, right? So I don't want that also. And virtual touch keyboard icon also is what you can actually show, right? The virtual touch keyboard icon. Now, taskbar corner overflow. So let me show you. So these are all the taskbar corner overflow, and taskbar behaviors is what I want to show you. In Windows 10, let's say you wanted to move your Windows taskbar to the center, like all the apps and all. Like even I did it when I had Windows 10 on the same laptop. I just upgraded, so with that you would have noticed in some of my earlier videos, all the icons are actually in the middle. How did I do that? I just we use some things, and when we move it, push it. With Windows 11, it's become so much more easier. So with Windows 11, it's become really easy. So if I say taskbar alignment, if I want it left, I just do this, it's on the left. It's no more in the center, but it's on the left. And you don't need to do anything. It's just by the click of a button. So that is what has gone really nice in Windows 11. So automatically taskbar moves to center, and automatically taskbar moves to left. Let me remove the hide taskbar. So automatically Windows. So see, so that's how it works. I don't really like showing the taskbar because I get a little more computer screen as well. So I just do it. So you can show badges, you can show my taskbar display on all displays. At the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop also is fine. So that's how we do it. So I like hiding the taskbar, so I want to hide the taskbar, but you can actually keep the taskbar open so that it looks nice. So taskbar, if you have seen, is here, right? Taskbar is here, like personalization. Even on the lock screen, you can add some apps as well. That's also fine. So that is all about the taskbar. Widgets. Now let me come to something called widgets. This is the widgets icon. This little reminds us of how the Windows 7 used to be. So like this widget, so I have a match here. I have a match going on here. I have weather. If I have some tasks, I can do it. My Outlook calendar, my how much traffic. So that is all about what you can see, and some news as well. So these are some cricket internationals. So if I say see more, it'll take me back to a Bing browser, and here it will come up here. Okay, so let me close this for now. I don't need it. Yeah. So that is all about widgets. It'll take me to the Bing browser, and it'll give me more time to actually see through my laptop. And it's just a little faster way of doing it. But if you want actual and more depth information, it takes you to the Bing browser, which actually shows you all about it. One more feature of Windows is, I'm not going to say Windows 11, it's also available in Windows 10, is when you shut down your laptop or restart it, you click the start, you go here, you click on it, and then say shut down, sleep, or restart, right? An easier way to do it is if you right click on the start button, you get this fast menu. Right click, you get this fast menu and you can just quickly do it. These are basically if you're into coding or something, you want to open the Windows prompt terminal or the task manager, you can quickly just do that and it will actually open it quickly for you. So that is all about it. Quick assist. So now, if you have to help anybody in a laptop or something, maybe people who don't know laptops and you need to help them, what would a normal person would take a phone, would video call, and then show their laptop screen, they doing it, and then the other person look it. Isn't that a real hard process? To video call, you have to show on your screen, then they have to do. With Windows 11, you can use Quick Assist. So I'll show you how to use Quick Assist, QUICK, Quick ASSIST. There's an app called Quick Assist where you can control the other person's laptop. So basically, so what you can do is allow someone you trust you by taking control of your computer screen. Please enter the 6-digit code that is provided to you. So you can share your screen. If you want to give assistance, you could assist another person. So it will generate a special code for you in which you can do that. This is done by Microsoft. I'm not logged into my Microsoft account yet, but you can actually do that as well. With this, I'm actually done for today. I know it's a little sad that we have come to the end of these features in Windows 11. I hope you enjoyed all about Windows 11 and I hope you download Windows 11, right? You should download Windows 11. I've showed you on how to do some features in Windows 11 and it's become so much more easier. If you have any other features that you could add to this whole list, please put them in the comment section below and I might create another video if there are more than, if there are a few features if you all think that I should add. Please put them in the comments below and I'll create a video on that as well. With this, it's sad that these features are over. I hope you enjoyed all of those features. Put your feature that you want to also add into this list. You put them in the comments below. Also type out which is your favorite feature. Do that. It's going to help on which was your favorite feature. And with this, if you like more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. And please, if you learn something new or you got to download Windows 11 after learning its great features and you're happy by it, then give this video a thumbs up. So give this video a thumbs up and see you all next time.